Doctor, the journal Psychological Assessment is a generally recognized and accepted peer-reviewed journal in your field, correct?
Oh, yes, yes.
And a 1999 article by Stricker and Gold published in Psychological Assessment titled The Rorschach, Toward a Nomothetically Based, Idiographically Applicable, Configurational Model, might be relevant to your conclusions in this case, correct?
It could be.
Please consider Stricker and Gold's comments about the Rorschach, and I'll read. On the broad spectrum of sensitivity, the Rorschach is uniquely suited for understanding the underlying organization of the personality and for generating hypotheses about unconscious contents of the mind, unquote. Now my question. If the Rorschach is uniquely suited for generating hypotheses about the unconscious contents of the mind, then using the Rorschach embraces one or more variations of psychoanalytic or Freudian theory, correct?
Well, given the considerations that you outlined, citing Stricker and Gold, then my answer would be yes.
And our unconscious experiences exist out of our awareness, correct?
By definition, yes, that is correct.
And our unconscious experiences can rapidly shift and change, correct?
Yes.
Therefore, we can never accurately identify experiences that are both outside our awareness and which can rapidly shift and change, correct?
If we are the person experiencing those experiences outside our awareness, which can rapidly shift and change, no, it becomes almost impossible for us to accurately identify them.
Consequently, it becomes impossible to verify the accuracy with which the Rorschach assesses unconscious levels of experience, correct?
When you use the term verify in that manner, I would have to agree, yes.
Attempting to identify experiences outside our awareness that rapidly shift and change invites conjecture and speculation, correct?
That can happen, yes.
Psychologist A and psychologist B can therefore arrive at very different interpretations of the same person's unconscious experiences, correct?
Well, in this case, we're not talking about psychologist A nor psychologist B. We're talking about Dr. Campbell.
Thank you,
in
Doctor.
his many years
Thank you, Doctor. Your Honor, would you ask the witness to answer the question that's asked?
Doctor, you must answer the question and only the question that's asked of you. If you feel the need to explain, your counsel will give you that opportunity on direct examination, okay? You can understand that, right?
Thank you,
Thank you,
Doctor.
Doctor.
Now my question. Psychologist A and psychologist B can therefore arrive at very different interpretations of the same person's unconscious experiences, correct?
That outcome can occur, yes.
And when psychologist A and psychologist B arrive at their different interpretations of someone's unconscious experiences, we don't know who's right, correct?
Correct.
And when psychologist A and psychologist B arrive at their different interpretations of someone's unconscious experiences, they can both be mistaken, correct?
You could argue that position.
And given mistaken interpretations of someone's unconscious experiences, those errors threaten to misinform and mislead a proceeding such as this, correct?
That outcome could occur.